Hoylu For Education. With Hoylu Connected Workspaces, take your classroom to the cloud. Hoylu is a cost-effective way to bring digital transformation into the classroom without abandoning tried and true practices. Instructors can upload existing documents, links, PDFs, and even more into a workspace to present and share with an unlimited audience. Entire divisions, classrooms, project teams, and even remote students can work together anytime, anywhere. Hoylu's digital tools allow for anytime collaboration in real time with our unlimited connected workspace. With Hoylu, remote learning is a breeze with easy-to-use applications. Students and faculty can participate or review a workspace anytime, anywhere, from any device, allowing for ultimate accessibility. You can sign up for our free trial today and contact sales about education pricing.